Hey, this is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to manage trucks and trailers in ezLoads. It's very easy, simple, just like managing your drivers. ezLoads will keep track of all your DOT safety requirements and give you warnings when these are about to expire. So quick, let's just look at our list of trucks here. We have by unit, make, model. You can sort all these out just by hitting the down arrow. We have VIN, we have registration date, ownership, and here's the warnings by a glance. Just like the driver warnings, we can see what is going to expire or what has expired. And again, you have your symbols, your warning symbols right next to the unit. We have this yellow one, that means that a file is going to expire within 30 days. So let's just click on it. Annual inspection, due date 8/15. You can also click right on the unit number. This is where we upload new files, keep everyone compliant. We can go down to this red symbol. That means a file has already expired. Click on it. Annual inspection was due 7/16. So let's go ahead and click here on unit. We could update that right here by adding a new one. All right, now every account comes with a demo. So let's just delete that by going over to edit. We'll hit down arrow, delete truck. That's how you get rid of that. And then we can add new trucks just by up here in the right hand corner. You got all your information you can just put in here. Go ahead and click save and you've added a new truck. And then now we can go to trailers right here under trucks, and same thing as what we did for trucks. You got all your information, warnings here, and that's it. This is very easy, and just keep enjoying ezLoads.